Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fully factory reset your Bose SoundLink Flex speaker. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're selling your speaker and you want to basically default it to its factory settings. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and to the point, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what we're first going to do is that you're going to power on your Bose SoundLink Flex speaker.
Battery 50% connected to Joseph's Mac connected to John Carlo's iPhone.
Now once it's powered on, the way to factory reset your Bose SoundLink Flex speaker is that you're going to press and hold the power button, which is this one here, and hold it for 15 seconds. After you hold it for 15 seconds, it's going to turn off. And then once you turn it back on, you're going to need to reconnect it to any other devices. Now with this Bose SoundLink Flex speaker, if you do factory reset it, it's going to remove any language settings, and it's also going to return it to its original factory settings. It's also going to disconnect it from any nearby devices, so do make sure that resetting it is what exactly we want to do. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fully factory reset your Bose SoundLink Flex speaker. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.